we meant a red bird that's named Redbird that's trying its best. And we meant a creature named Long that is the great king of the universe. But we haven't yet meant a blue, weirder bird than Redbird. Wow, oceans are beautiful. I could just watch them forever and ever. Hopefully, nothing bad happens. And meanwhile, the bluebird is on his way. Oh no, Bluebird! Why? This is not the time. No, please do not do it. No. Your mouth got too close to my head. I'm running. It's very hard to run, but also very easy. It took very long to get there. It took very long for that to happen. No, please do not do it. Please. Caution, Master. You mutated. The last time I seen you were not like this. Oh, I was not like this? Okay, I'll stuff my head into a pocket. That's your giant. Here, buddy, sit. You're a good boy, good boy. Sit. You're sitting. I will, meet, what seems to be just a walk, which, why is he doing that? Meanwhile, we do not have Redbird. Oh, I am here. We should join each other. Okay, we're gonna join our team. We should be with the same team, so we're stronger. Yeah, that's a good choice. Oh, Master. What? Is there something wrong? That. Oh. You mean Long? That creature came from nowhere. Okay. Hey, knock it off. What? You said to knock it off. I'm just gonna watch the fight. I will win. Are you serious? He has a monster. Yeah, he has a monster trying to protect him. And it's no good. It is good for him at least. Get away, Redbird. And I can take it good. I think I dunked him a long time. Right. We might witness another fight. What happened? What am I? Am I an experiment? Yes, you are. I was wondering what happened. Why are you here? Okay. Well, I was made by a scientist. They crossed me with a boy and a girl, and it was very, very weird. It was the weirdest thing I ever had in my lifetime. Okay, it was the weirdest thing you ever had in your lifetime. Okay, but there might be more battles. So are you reset? Are you no longer trying to destroy us? I'm not. I am just set to normal. What happened to my voice? What did you say? to to be continued for final episode of the weird creature supposed to be horror monster episodes.